Yo, what up, what up, what up? This is Busy Home Beat with your boy King series, and in today's video I've made a beat here and I'm just going to break it down for you guys how I made this beat. This is Afro High Life beat. Yeah, so without wasting my time, let's listen to the beat. After that, I just show you guys how I came about this kind of beat here. So okay, so I think that's all. And when I get to a certain point, I did something there. So when I get here, this is what I did. So the difference is I did something here. So let me show you to you guys. Then we move on with the breakdown. So that's what I did over there. So I'm just going to break it down for you guys how I made it. So this is my drum pattern. This is how the drum goes. You know, I mute some of the sound because when I was doing the mixing, so that there were certain sounds that was not right for me, so I had to just change them and see how it goes. So let's listen to the drums. Okay, so that's the drum. If you look on the mixer track here, I have certain things on my bass, my kick. Let me see, this is the kick. Here's the kick. I caught the low, the high ends, and I put this on it just to get a heavy drum, a heavy kick. Yes, a heavy kick. And the next thing I did on it was this sound. I put a reverb on it and I just lower it over here. Then I also EQ'd some of the lows out. Yes, that's the only thing I did for the drum. Okay, so after that, after the drum, then we moved on with the melodies. Yes, our chord progression and the rest. So this is what I started with. I have this sound. Let me just delete this one because if I mute them, okay, let me just mute this and mute the down one so that you can hear this, the chord progression. And I didn't do anything on it, I guess. Yes, no effect on it. I just have to tweak the volume and I leave it like that. So okay, so I think the next one is this sound over here. And you know, it follows the same chord progression, so you can see it over there. Then the next one is I added this melody to it. So this is how this one goes. Let me, okay. Okay, so that's how it goes. So listening to them together. Okay, and I didn't do anything on it on the mix. I actually didn't do anything on it, I do remember. So after this melodies, then I added this one too. Okay, so this one. On a mixer, you check my mixer, I don't have anything on it, yes. So, and this sound. So I combine these two sounds just to get this. So if I add this is what I'm having now. Yes, the same thing. So after that, and I added this I don't know if it's a choir or pad, or let me see. Yes, from voices, yes, in Nexus. So, and this is how it sounds, the same chord progression. I just want it to be at the background of the beat. I don't want it to sound too loud, whereby the frequencies will be just disturbing the other ones. And I put this EQ on it, cut the low and the high. So if I take the EQ, this is how it sounds. Because of the bass, I have to take some of the lows from it so that the bass wouldn't be disturbed. Okay, the next melody is this. Okay, this is the bass. This is my bass, yes. So that's the bass, very simple. But I played two bass where the chorus is happening and where we are just having our verses and the rest. So the next instrument is this sound. Okay, this is the second bass, yes. So you can clearly see this where when the chorus is happening, when the sound is playing, yes, the bass comes together with this. You get it? Yes. So then I added this drum to it just to give it some African groove, some Ghana type of groove. We like this thing a lot. Yes. Yeah, so and the last thing that I think I did was this part. Okay, I played some when the thing was just going. I was just adding some melodies with it from my keyboard piano here. So I muted some parts which I don't like. So it's muted. So let's see this one. You know, it's very plain because when the beat was playing is when I was just trying to add this kind of things just to give it some dynamism in it. In this part. I think that part I even took it out, cut it out for me. Yes, so from Nexus, and I didn't do anything on it. So the last thing I did here was this guy. Yes, so it's a combination of the kick, a combination of my kick and this sound, the bass, and this kind of hit, this sound over here. So just a third-party plugin that I added to Nexus. A third-party plugin sound that I added to Nexus. So it goes like this. Okay, so that's what it be. The rest is just a matter of rolling and a matter of rollings, yes. And I added this thing here, this guy. It's a roll, but I caught the yes. I think so that's all the beat. Let's just please, if you like my video and you like whatever I did over here, and you did learn 1 or 2 things from me, please make sure you subscribe to support your boy, like and comment to this video. Yes, I'm out.